I'll show you how you can copy and paste motivational quotes just like these here, and I'll show you how you can use these quotes to earn up to $300 per day. Now, I'm literally going to cover everything in this video, from where you can find these quotes, where you can copy and paste them, and how you can monetize these quotes once you've pasted them in this platform. So I'm going to show you everything, so let's jump into the video. So like I said, we're going to be using motivational quotes. Now, I'm on this website here. I also have another website open with various motivational quotes. And on these websites, they give you hundreds, if not thousands, of free motivational quotes, which we can copy and paste to essentially earn money from. So the first thing you're going to need to do is find some motivational quotes. Now, you can do this by going to Google and just searching for motivational quotes. So I've just made a search here for motivational quotes, and you can see here we've got different websites that we can click on. I've opened this one up, and it's going to take me to Shopify, where we can scroll down here and we can see 200 plus motivational quotes. So if you scroll down here, we've got deep motivational quotes, we've got motivational quotes about success and life and so on. So we're going to scroll up here and we're just going to copy one of these motivational quotes and put this quote through the system, which I'm going to share with you right now. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this quote here. I never dreamed about success, I worked for it. So I'll highlight all of this, and literally anybody can do this, and you right click and you click on copy. So now we've copied this one motivational quote. Now what we can do is we can monetize this with this system. So the next thing you need to do once you've copied your motivational quote, you need to go ahead and go to a website, this website called canva.com. Now, Canva is a free online photo editing software. You don't have to download it, you can use it all online, and you can edit photos within Canva. Now, once you're on Canva, you need to go ahead and go to custom size, and we're going to type here 1080 by 1080, and we're going to create a new design here, and that will open up a template which we can go ahead and paste in our motivational quote into. Now remember, this is going to make us money in the long run, but we just have to do this as part of the system. So make sure you've got Canva open, you've got 1080 by 1080 open, and you've copied your motivational quote. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to text on the right here. I'll click on text, and I can then change the font. So I can choose like different font combinations, or I can just add a text box here, which I'm going to do. So now we've added this text box, I can just drag it and make it bigger. I'm now going to select this text by clicking Control A on the keyboard, or alternatively, you can just highlight it. I'm going to delete this, and I'm then going to paste in by clicking Control and V, a quote. Now I'm going to get rid of here, remove the number 1. I'll just drag this into the center and make sure it looks decent. Okay, so now I've got this text here. What I'm going to do is delete this line because it's a bit long and it looks a bit weird, and I'll re-add just like a dash. Okay, so now we can highlight this text, and I can change the font and things if I'm not happy with it. We can go ahead and change through all of these different fonts here. You can also make it bold and add underlines and things like that to your quote. Now you don't have to do this just of yet. We're going to do that in a second, because the third website we need to go to is a website where we can just get a simple image to put on the background. So if you remember, we're going to be making one of these quotes here, making money with these quotes, and these just basically have the quote on top of a very simple image. Now, I'll show you how you can find free royalty-free images that you can use for this method. So next, you need to go to Pexels.com, and on Pexels, what you can do is you can search for any photo, and you can use it royalty-free without crediting the photographer. So our quote here is about success and hard work and making it in life. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Pexels, and I'm just going to type in here success, and we'll just see what comes up for success. We're probably going to be able to find loads of different images we can use, so we can use a lot of these, but I'm just going to use this one here. We're going to download it, and it then should download to my downloads in the bottom left hand corner. I can then go to Canva, and I can just simply drag that in, and you can see if you hover it over this gray background here, it's gonna say drop to upload your file. So click on that, and once your file has uploaded, I'll just close this download here. You can then drag it onto Canva. So there we go, we'll drag it on, and it's automatically gone to the back of the page, which is good. So now we've got that sorted. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and edit this image and edit this quote. Just change the colors a little bit so it actually pops and looks half decent. So first we're going to go ahead and change this font to white, because black's just not going to work in this specific image. Your image, black might work, but for me, I'm going to change it to white. I'm also going to move this up here because we've got a nice blue area. We can have this text. So we'll center it here. And then I'm going to make sure I highlight this. I'm going to put this all in italic and maybe make it a little bit bigger. So there you go. You've now got your quote. Now, if we click on this again and I go to effects, I can go ahead and add shadows or echo, and I can change the color of all of that. I'm going to change it to black. So we've got like a drop shadow here. And there we go. Now we've got a quote with our image. Now, if we click on the image, we can go to edit image and you can change the brightness. So you can turn the brightness down here and the contrast up. And depending on your image, you might need to do this to make your image look kind of like more aesthetic. You can also just add filters here. So, well, this is quite nice actually. We'll leave this filter on. And what I'll do is I'll go to effects and I'll just bring this offset up a little bit. There we go. So I quite like this. We're going to run with this for this video. So when I say we copy and paste motivational quotes, I literally mean you copy and paste motivational quotes into Canva, and then you go to share in the top right hand corner. You then go to download, and you can download this as a PNG file. So you can see it's downloading right now, and it's now downloaded. So let me open it. So here is your file here. I never dreamed about success. I worked for it. And this is your quote that you found online, paired with a royalty-free image. So this image now you completely own, and you can do whatever you want with this, including monetize it, which I'm going to show you now. So now I want to introduce you to the world of motivational quotes on Instagram. So there are many pages here, like this one, who have a following, who are building a following, posting motivational quotes to that Instagram page. So you can see this image here has 1,800 likes. This one has 1,300, 1,100. They have 12,000 followers, and all they're doing is posting daily motivational quotes. Now, it took us maybe, I don't know, 5 minutes to create one motivational quote, so you could make a bunch of these in a day. And what you would do is you would upload these to your own Instagram profile. Now, I'm not going to run you through how to do that in this video, but I am going to give you some key tips and how you can monetize these Instagram motivational quotes here. So make sure you do stick around. I don't want to waste too much of your time, but I do want to give you the in-depth tutorial and the in-depth tips that you really do deserve. So make sure you stay until the end. Now you can find these motivational pages yourself. This isn't the only one. If you go to search, you can just type in here motivational quotes. And you can see all of these are probably going to be doing similar things. So we'll choose this one Wise Life. With 526,000 followers, just a completely random one. Their motivational quotes, you can see they're a little bit better. They've changed the colors on some text, but you can still do this in Canva, and you can still create high quality motivational images. I'm not going to say you can get 500k followers with this method, but you can definitely make good money with this method if you monetize it the right way. And this is the most important thing. You need to monetize this Instagram page the right way. So it goes without saying now, we're creating an Instagram page. Now, to create an Instagram page, just go to Instagram.com and click sign up for free. This isn't going to be an Instagram sign up tutorial, so I'm not going to run you through that. But you can sign up and you want to give your page a name which is relevant to motivation, to success, to business. You can then create a logo or just simply find a logo on Google. Now, I'm not telling you to steal anyone's logo, but just go and find a logo on Google. Just type in success, grab one of those photos and upload it. The main thing here is you get started and you take action and start to build your following posting quotes. Now, if you go through a lot of these pages, you'll see that they have a link all the time. And this is how these are monetizing their page. They're monetizing for a product. So we'll click on their link. We're not going to monetize with their strategy and their link because that's theirs. We're going to do our own thing, and we're going to essentially promote somebody else's product and earn commissions, and high paying commissions at that. So I'll cover all of that right now. These seem to be promoting, for some random reason, a betting app, which I am not going to look at. I don't know why they're promoting a betting app with 500,000 followers, but it must be working for them. Now, because we don't have our own page like them, what we're going to do is we're going to create a free landing page, which we can link to in our bio. And then on that landing page, we can display all of our offers, which our traffic can then buy, because they're going to be interested in our offers, because we're going to give them highly targeted offers that they just can't resist. So what you need to do is go to a website called Linktree. Linktree is a free landing page builder, which allows you to build a landing page which is perfect for iPhone or Android. It's perfect for when someone's browsing on their iPhone, because a lot of these landing page builders, they only really work for a computer, but like 90% of Instagram's traffic comes from Android or iPhone. So go to Linktree and sign up for a free account. Again, I'm not going to cover that. I'm just going to sign into my profile. The one thing I will say is make sure you create your username kind of like similar to your Instagram username. So make sure it's in the same niche and it's around about the same thing, like the same branding and the same logo, things like that. Now this is my Linktree that I just use for tutorials. Now it is called Online Cash Money, which kind of fits, but not really. It's a bit cringy. And I have got free giveaway as the kind of like profile picture. So this whole brand is completely wrong. It needs to be about luxury, success, and wealth. I haven't changed it, but again, you would go ahead and change that in the back end. Now, I'll show you how to change it. So go ahead and go to Appearance, and there's only like 4 buttons on Linktree. You can't do a lot of things, so it's pretty easy for beginners. And then here I can remove my image, but you can pick a new image to upload, and you can also change your profile title, as well as add a bio. But the thing we want to be focusing on is adding our offer. So we can add our offer here, which people can click on, they can buy, and when they buy, we will earn a commission and we will make money. So we can add our offer link here. Now we don't have an offer link at the minute, so we need to go ahead and find an offer. To do that, you want to go to the affiliate marketing platform called ClickBank. Now ClickBank is completely free. You can sign up. Again, I'm not going to cover that in this video, but you can sign up and you can promote all of these virtual products on ClickBank. And when someone buys, you'll earn a commission. Now I'll show you what I mean here. So if you go ahead and go to, or we'll just go to top offers, and you'll see some of these offers appear here. Now we want to go to business/investing or computers/internet. Now we want to find a product which is going to be useful to our audience who are looking at motivational quotes. They want success, they want wealth, they want a good life. So I've clicked on e-business and e-marketing. You can just go to all and you'll find it. Here it is. And you can see here, there are many different products that you can promote on ClickBank. Now, this one is a live chat job, so people can like work online as a live chat bot. You know when the icon comes up in the bottom right hand corner, you can speak to someone. People can do that job and they can earn money. And if you get someone to sign up to their website and go through the training, you're going to earn here $60. Now, this could be a great offer to promote because people that come to your Instagram page, they want to make money, they want to be motivated, they want to be successful. So we're going to use this one here as an example. So on average, we're going to earn $60 in commissions when we get someone to sign up to this website, or when we get someone to buy their product, should I say. So we can click on promote here, and you can also check out the landing page by just clicking on it. You can just click on these and it will open in a new tab, and you can see the landing page and you can see the product. This landing page here helps someone find their perfect job for, I think it was chatbots. So we're going to promote this one. We're going to go to promote, and we can then get our unique link. So we'll do the default one. I'll enter in my nickname here, which will just be your ClickBank username. Click create hop link, and we can copy this link. Then we can go ahead and go back to Linktree. We can paste in this URL. We can click add, and it might say unsafe URL for a second, but just bear with me. Just go back to ClickBank. I'm just going to copy this here, live chat jobs. I'll go back to Linktree. I'll paste that in the title here. If it doesn't, for whatever, show you the link, I have got a quick workaround, and a lot of people do struggle with this, but it is a simple fix. Copy your ClickBank link here, open up a new tab, go to tinyurl.com. Once it checks that it's secure here, you can do this in seconds. Then you can go ahead and paste in your long ClickBank link, make tinyurl. That's going to shorten that link, and you can see it here. So here's the shortened version. We can copy this. We can then go back to Linktree. We can then paste in the link, and now it should work. And there you go. You can see it's now updated and it is now working. So when someone clicks on this link, it will be taken, they'll then be taken to this ClickBank product. And if they buy it, you'll earn $60. Now, all there is left to do is take your Linktree link. And to find your Linktree link, you go to share in the top right hand corner. You go to copy, and you can I'll just paste it in here. So here is our Linktree profile. And again, you can customize this in appearance if it doesn't look like mine. You can then copy this link. You can then go to Instagram, and on your Instagram page where you post motivational quotes, you can just go ahead and add a link here to the website section. So for me, I'll just go to my profile. You go to edit profile, and follow me on Instagram, by the way, if you haven't already. I can then enter in here website. I can only do it on my mobile, so you would have to do it on the mobile, but you can enter in a website here. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you want some behind the scenes stuff about my life and just in general behind the scenes stuff. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of that method. Are you going to take action? Let me know in the comment section below. Watch this video here if it does interest you, and I'll see you in the next one.